Things to remember when going for a long road trip. Engine coolant. Engine coolant should be topped up to maximum level. Also check coolant pipes for cracks and leaks. It's a good idea to carry an extra bottle of coolant with you. Engine oil. If possible, change engine oil to new one before you go for long drives. Stress on engine oil will be high. It's better to give fresh lubricant rather old one. Note, if the old release run less than 3,000 kilometers, don't bother changing it. Also, the oil should be at the maximum level and make sure there is no oil leak from engine and transmission body. Air filter. Clean the air filter properly and if found dirty, replace with the new one. Dirty air filter will affect the performance of the car battery. Brakes. It's better to hard brake several times to check the brakes for safe journey. Check the brake fluid levels and for leaks. Also make sure you have got enough brake pad and material left on brakes. Wheel care. Make sure to maintain correct tire air pressure and maintain spare wheel healthy. It's good to get a wheel alignment done to reduce excess tire wear. If possible, always keep a tire repair kit and a hand pump, which could be useful in emergency situation. Wiper and washer fluids. Keep the wiper blades fresh. Fill the wiper fluid to maximum level and keep an extra bottle for emergency causes. Electrical and electronics. Always check the battery health before leaving. Also check the electronic functionalities including headlights, horns, wiper motors, etc. Noises from vehicle. Drive the vehicle for some time and check if there is any noise coming from the vehicle like clucking, clicking, squeaking, etc. Cheap engine scanner. It's possible to throw an engine malfunction light while you are on the road. So keeping a cheap engine OBD scanner will be helpful, so you can check the fault by yourself. While on road. Avoid rapid brutal acceleration and deceleration of vehicle on road. This will maintain better transmission health and lower the engine wear as well. Maintain the engine RPM below 2,500 while overtaking and highway cruising, thus putting low stress on the engine, and gives more stable oil pressure and temperature. This will give longer engine life and avoids midway engine failures. While on road, it's good to go slow on rough paths and patches as the wheels are mounted on vehicle with supporting rubber bushes. Too much stress on them will result in tearing and breakages. Don't rush by looking forward to the distance you have got to cover.